What is going on, guys? So today is the freaking day. So we got the new exhaust that just came in from Hall Built Performance. I'm so freaking pumped right now. Like, this thing is so nice. Look at these welds, man. This man has got some serious talent. It is ridiculous. It is crazy. It came out so good. I'm really excited to put it on the car, see how it sounds. This tip is huge. Literally, look at the size of this tip. My whole hand. It's freaking massive. It looks great. So, I'm excited. I'm ready to put it on. And we'll get back to you when we do that. Just finishing welding up here. And should have some clips of the car, the sound, and how it sounds when we're driving. Yeah, I tightened the fuck out of them. I don't want them to fall off.
Oh yeah, you might as well, like I said, don't ever loose and keep shit loose.
I was like, cause if they vibrate loose, then I'm fucked.
Yeah. What's it take, a couple extra seconds?
Yeah, exactly.
The nut's probably in there, that's why it's not.
Oh yeah, I can get it for you, man. Oh no, I don't think it is. Oh yeah, it is. I hate when that happens.
I hate when my nuts get stuck.
Yeah. It's rusty nuts.
Yeah. They're old. You don't have to remind me. I still like using them. That doesn't run out. And I know 70-year-old guys that still like using them. You're looking good, man. I always figure one day, Ellen's waiting for the day I don't want to have sex. Doesn't change.
That would be the day that she wants it. This is what it looks like so far. Got the test pipe to the new light pipe all the way back. It's gonna look sick. welded diff right now, we could be having a great time around this turn.
Okay, a little bit of rain.
Fucking a little bit of wool.
A little bit of sideways action.
Out here getting some shots. You see them on my Instagram. Hopefully you like the video. Tom driving the Z. Definitely sounds better.
Oh yeah.
This is straight really fun. It's not like Kissimmee where it's like caved down in 2 seconds. This man is uncontrollable when it comes to revving an exhaust.
As I said, if that was my car, literally.
Oh man, it's been a shitty day here in Florida. That's why this is literally spread out. This vlog's spread out. Between the last 2 days. So last night we finished the exhaust. It was like 9 o'clock at night. Did not think it was going to take that long, and it wasn't because of the exhaust at all. The exhaust fit perfect. I had customized my test pipes. I had to recut them and re-weld them because I had to cut and weld them when I didn't have an exhaust, so I just roughly guessed, and so that's why it took so long. It ended up taking like 4 hours to put an exhaust on, but once I actually cut and welded everything, it only took us like an hour. The exhaust fit great. Literally, for the money I spent, I couldn't be any happier. Sean at Hall Built Racing, he absolutely killed it making this exhaust. And if in the last clips, if you look at them, I don't know how well I showed you, but the welds on this exhaust is unbelievable. And I'm really excited. I'm glad I'm working with them, and I'm definitely excited to do some stuff in the future. But yeah, no, Sean killed it at Hall Built Performance. This thing sounds unbelievable. What's your thoughts on it? Sounds good, or?
I mean, I really like the raspiness of it. The tone. Like, it doesn't sound like a tin can like a lot of the other cars do. And I really like it. I mean, obviously, like, you know, my car with the pops and bangs.
Yeah.
So I think when it gets like pops and bangs in the flame,
It would be.
that's gonna be a 10, dude.
Yeah, it would definitely change it. It will make it sound a lot better. It needs it because this car is so aggressive looking. It just needs a little extra pop. this exhaust will do it for sure. It's like, it's hard to get it right now because it's a brand new exhaust. It takes a while to break it in. And, but I love it. I'm so pumped. And even for this one, I've been waiting to do this video for so long now. And I'm so pumped I finally got to do it. Videos will be back to normal now. So the sad thing is we bought so much shit in between. We don't have very much to do to the car left. We've only got like a turbo kit. It's like all we can really do. That we buy a drift car, we can start drifting this. But I don't know if I want to drift this yet, because if I crash it, then I don't want to total it because it's a waste. So hey, police. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching as always, and stay tuned. And we'll catch you on the next one for sure.
Yeah.